So there is James on the left, and there is Thomas in the center, and Percy on the right side. And this one is from Little Tickers. This is a chess toy box from Thomas and Friends. That's a really big box where you can storage your models. And let me see, we have a bunch of tracks from 10 colored tracks, Trackmaster 1. That's a lot. So I guess I'm going to put him for sale for as a box, whatever fits in a box. I don't know. We have a bunch of brown tracks under that structure. I don't know what those are. See, I found also Trackmaster 2 tracks and a bunch of, what are those, accessories. And there is a shipwreck. I think it's a shipwreck right there. I think I gotta find out if the set is complete or no. There is something underneath here. Let me see. Yes, right there, another part of shipwreck. And here is something from Castle Quest. This swing arm tower crane, whatever it's called. And but I don't think it's complete. It's only that part. And comes with Misty Island. I think it's a Sipsun line or something, Misty Island, whatever. Or maybe you remember where Thomas stops right here and puts a log, goes up, and then you can cut it in half and comes down here by the conveyor belt, whatever it's gonna call that thing. Anyways, also we have this a finish line. I think it's for some kind of race set or something. But anyways, let's begin from the right to the left. So we have a lot of cars and a lot of engines. There you can see all in a single frame. Now there is this fling, but fling is missing the chassis. We have some cars, and there is Hero Trackmaster 2 tender. I think this one is from Salty. That one is from Flying Scotsman. That one is Up and Away balloon car for Percy. There is the car for Flynn, and that one is Victor Trackmaster 2. And Diesel, where is the lever? I think it's hiding or bended or broken, I don't know. Okay, there is a tender, motorized tender for Molly, motorized tender for Emily, and this van, what is this, Henry's tender. I don't remember this one. I think it's, totally forgot. Some chassis, I think this one is for Harvey motorized coach, Thomas, brakeman. Also Percy Trackmaster 1. There is Scroof and Henry. So Henry Trackmaster 2, and here is the tender. And a bunch of little cars right there. Oh, look at that. There is an oil tanker. I think it's an oil tanker. And there is the Puppet Show car from the set of Scarloyan, the Puppet Show. And I think that car, if I'm not mistaken, the red one is from Castle Quest. So, let's continue. So we have Zero Handle right here. With Thomas, another Thomas, Trackmaster 2 Victor, and Green Salty, another Thomas, a troublesome truck, and I think that cargo is for Scroof. Yes, Scroof right there. And there is Paxton. Is it Trackmaster 2 or is Trackmaster 1? It's Trackmaster 1, I think. Okay, let's continue. This one is, if I'm not mistaken, it's from Percy, or is it from Hero? Let me know in the comments. I don't remember. So that one is from, I think it's Gordon. These two pieces. Charlie's missing the chassis, same for Stanley. There is another Paxton right there. Here's the other one. So Caitlin, the stickers, the decals are torn. I think I'm gonna replace them. There is another diesel, Debius diesel, and here is, let me see, diesel 10, Trackmaster 2. I don't think it's RC. The RC has like a black roof right there. This one doesn't. So it's Duke, and here it is, Scarloy from the Scarloy Puppet Show. Nice. Another Percy. And another Flying Scotsman tender. Here is James, Trackmaster 2, and I think the tender is right over there. Okay, now Luke. There is Luke and Gordon from the Indignity Gordon. This one does have, let me see, banana stickers. Yeah, the decals are torn and might need our new ones. So we have a Salty, Duke. Is this Dart? I think yes. Another Gordon that is missing the tender. Good for parts. We have another Percy and Tolkien, Salty, another Thomas. Oh, look, there is Nebil's tender. Some cards. I think that card belongs to Duke. Yes. I saw that on a set with Duke. It's Duke or Duke? Duke. Yeah, I always confuse those names. Duke and Duke. Yes. Totally forgot this one. I think it's Shooting Star Gordon. This one belongs to that. I think. I don't remember. Oh, look at dining cars. See inside dining cars. Trackmaster. Really nice. This bridge, I don't know where is it Trackmaster or no? Let me know in the comments. I have no clue. Never seen that one. Have no idea. So there is a bunch of parts and buildings. There's one building right there. I need to find out if the shipwreck is complete or no. Otherwise I gotta sell them for parts or put those bunch of tracks in a single box. Same for the 10 tracks and brown tracks. Can't keep that so many. It's too much, and I still have to unbox from yesterday. I went to pick up a lot of engines. This one is from about 3 or 4 days ago. So we'll find out. That's a lot. Too much work. And I forgot to mention that Cranky was in the same lot. Didn't record it. I put it on the side behind me while recording, and I forgot to put it on this together. So it's not the same Cranky as the one I got in the other box right here, or the other one that we got on the mail. So that's a different one. So yeah, that's all.